Okay, so it's Friday again, and once again, a nice Q-Tip Fridays with your boy Q Banks. So this right here is the Q-Tips with a little bit of the scenery. You know what I'm saying? Like my backyard, lake is nice, it's peaceful. Come out here and meditate and relax a little bit, you know, that kind of thing. It's not done in the basement. It's not done in anywhere that pretty much has like no kind of windows and that kind of stuff. I like to actually have nice fresh breeze. You know what I'm saying? So this Q-Tips today is based on topic: be resilient and don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Shut up. Don't make excuses. Which means that in life, life has obstacles. You know, it's a part of the game. Like nobody has like life that pretty much has. It's a straightforward. Like there's no kind of issue. There's no kind of nothing. Like people are gonna go through things that makes them who they are. You know what I'm saying? With me, for one, not born here, you know, just got my paperwork, just became a citizen about like 5 years ago and that kind of stuff. But even before that, I had to actually, I couldn't make excuses, like, because at the end of the day, like, no one really cares. As people get older, you'll realize that like no one really cares about like your obstacles. You know what I'm saying? Like if you have an obstacle, you got to pretty much be the person to get over it, because if not, no one's gonna get over it for you. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're a kind of person that say you want to do so and so, but at the same time you don't have money to do it. Okay, cool. Get a job. Like that. That's as simple as that. I want to get your course, but I don't have money. Okay, cool. Get a job. Jobs pay money, you know what I'm saying? It might not be the kind of money that you want. It might not be the kind of money that can make you so-and-so, but at the same time, like, it could get you money. From that point, you could then use that money to get something else. Like, it's as simple as that. I don't like to complicate things because there's no such thing as a problem if there's a solution. You know what I'm saying? No matter what type of things that you're currently going through, there's always a solution to the problem. So technically, you don't really have a problem. You just have to then just make use of the solution. You know, people just dwindle on the problem so much to the point that people might tell them the solution, but at the end of the day, like if they don't use it, then it's never going to be a Zena inside. If they don't use it, then it's never going to be a thing. You know, like people can actually dwindle on an issue for years and years and years and years and years, and they have friends that's telling them what to do to get out of it. And then when it comes down to it, like if they don't actually Zena inside, if they don't even do anything about it, then they're going to be stuck with that problem, you know? 1 second. See, again, this is my little problem. I have pets. Zena, inside. Get inside, girl. But again, it's not a problem. The solution is if they keep on coming out the house, close the door. Now they can't come out of the house anymore. Simple as that. I'm not going to make certain things bother me because there's always a solution to a problem, no matter what you're going through, no matter where you are inside the world and that kind of stuff. There's always going to be a solution to any single thing that's going on. Like, and if there's not, make up something. Make up something. Like it's always going to be that thing that could actually get you out of a predicament that you're in currently. You know what I'm saying? With me, again, immigrant, naturally, came from Jamaica at a young age. And then from that point, after high school, in high school, everybody was talking about going to college. I couldn't have that conversation because I couldn't go to college. I didn't have the capability of going to college at that point in time. The solution to that, make money other ways. Make money by doing some, let's say, some side gigs, like again, unlocking and jailbreaking PSPs. After that, I did like one door-to-door business, probably for like about 2 days, and then quit. After that, a warehouse job for 3 years. Once I got my work permit, after grinding and pretty much trying to figure something out, I got a work permit. Boom, college, work. Immediately for years, three to 4 years at one job while in college the entire time. Used to Finish class, go straight to work. Class, work, class, work, class, work every single day. So, like, my problem was pretty much just the fact that I didn't really have much money. I didn't really have much time, but at the same time, like, then I had to like figure out a way that, like, how can I actually get to where I want to be based off of like me actually having all these expensive goals and aspirations and like expensive lifestyle that I do want to live eventually, because the only thing that's really expensive in my life is like my cars and everything, you know what I'm saying? And like what I was doing couldn't get me that. My solution to that was start going online. How can I make money other ways, or how can I make money online and that kind of stuff. Affiliate marketing stuff, you know, I did affiliate marketing for like about a year or so. After that, I got reintroduced to trading, which then I actually focused on that to get me to where I am today, which is 9 years later. You know what I'm saying? So I never technically had a problem. I just needed to apply the solution, but that meant me going to look for the solution. You know what I'm saying? Like if I sat around just waiting for somebody to actually show me something, it was never going to come to me. I had to pretty much just go out there and actually get it. That's why, like, if you're going to pretty much like manifest a certain goal or manifest a certain lifestyle and that kind of stuff, like I was on the way to work to at Target. I was taking pictures, like, and this picture is actually online as well. Like I'll probably get this edited and slap it in there, like boom, slap right there. I was driving to Target and I pretty much took a picture of a red Ferrari one day and a yellow Lamborghini another day, but on the same road to Target. Took a picture, and years later, 4 or 5 years later, I have a yellow Lamborghini, I have a red Ferrari. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much like manifesting. But I was doing things that could get me to make that manifestation come true. The worst thing that a person can do is pretty much have photos on the wall, have photos as their screensaver, have photos of all these things that they actually want to actually do in their life. But if you're not taking the proper steps to get there, it's never going to happen. You're still going to be that person in 20 years and that kind of stuff with that picture on the wall saying that, yeah, like, I want to have a house like this. But if you're not doing anything to even get the house like that, then it's never going to happen. You know what I'm saying? The problem is that you have this kind of dreams and that kind of stuff, right? Figure out the solution. The solution is pretty much trying to find a vehicle that could get you there. You know what I'm saying? Find a vehicle that could actually make you the kind of money that you want to make. So there's never ever issues in life. You got to pretty much just find that solution that could actually make sense of that issue that you're having. Obstacles are a part of life. Obstacles create the kind of personality or the kind of characteristics, traits that you actually need. It builds character. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why, like, I'm very, very glad that I started trading around the time that I did, because it helped build a nice, strong foundation. You know what I'm saying? I'm not focused on, trying to get capital, trying to get investors, trying to get this, trying to get that. I don't give a fuck about that. I always use my own money to actually fund whatever I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, if back then I was only able to trade $1,000 account, then guess what? We're trading $1,000 account. We got to make it work. I'm not trying to get funding from this investor, this investor, trying to skip the steps and rush the process. Nowadays it's very different, obviously, because now you have prop firms, of course, you have top tier, you have things of that nature that could actually get you to where you want to be based on that. But not needing it makes you a lot stronger, because you pretty much understand on what you have to do to actually get out of this situation and try to make a way based on not having a way. So my solution to that was not complaining, dealing with what I have, not making that be the downfall of like all my dreams and aspirations, not looking for handouts, not looking for extra help and everything else, and then using what I have. And I used what I had many times and made crazy amounts of money on those big jumps that I have. It's all on my page, and you scroll down, you know what I'm saying? Scroll down. But that's my Q-tips for today. Be resilient and stop making fucking excuses. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna catch y'all next Friday. Peace out. Until next time. Peace.